Kukontakin nyo lang si Sir Chrysler Cutting. Ayan o.
Ano kayo?
Contact person.
Punta kayo dito.
Shout out, sir.
Shout out, watch out. Watch out.
Okay.
Legal na asawang
Purot. Na.
kulang ra.
Okay magtaka kung bakit itong lalagyan ha kasi sponsor to sponsor. Pretest. Yan, wow.
Pretest na kay dili daw ka mag-birthday.
May strawberry na ano shake strawberry. Wow. Ang pinakamasarap na shake dito sa Buanga del Norte. Punta lang kayo dito sa La Presa. Mga kabayan, mga Jeff Roxo. Yan. Sir Chrysler.
Pinakamasarap na shake.
Thank you very much sa sponsor, Sir Chrysler. Uy, iyang. Tambal sa lanat yang iyang. Okay. Malamig muna tayo. Okay, good morning mga kababayan, mga ka-Jeff Rock. Lami sa impasog kong karon. Malay-balay bukid nun. Ay impasog kong bukid nun lang dahil. Atin mo yung graduation sa akong eldest. Firewoman. Ang dami ng mga ano dito. Sasakyan, kaparada. Right. Mga garland oh.
Wala dito ka nagbayad. Wala dito ka nagbayad sa kuan. Kani ako. Isa po minimum magang di ha. Ay sa kulor mo ganahan di. Si, wala ko na mo ganahan.
Namili pa ng ano. Garland. Doon ang video sa may gym. Ha? Okay. My youngest, my commander. Babay muna. Okay, dito na kami sa labas ng venue. At marami ng mga pagkain dito sa labas. May mga libre ditong pagkain. Yan, kanya-kanya lang bigyan ng mga garland. Ito po lahat, oh. Libre po ito lahat. Kuha ka lang ang gusto mo dito. May mga kape din dito. Coffee, asin, gusto mo. Lalo mga pagkain, dami oh. Libre po yan lahat. Libre lahat yan.
Dapat ada ka bag ni pero stick yung coffee gipangitang JC.
Ibus.
Ina ibus pintos na.
Oh, pintos.
Pina sabi mo.
Masunod ka ron. Wala kini mo.
Ha? Pwede ra day?
Madaling ni ako mapare.
Iyon, dami namin dalang pagkain. Bako na nila.
Yan na isang color kay mama.
Ayun mga kababayan, mga ka-Jeff Roxo. Reading na yung mga fire officer. Oh, daming tao. Siksiki ka na. Papasok pa lang namin dito sa kaya kala ko na kami na pwedeng mapupuan namin.
for this prayer. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا
Hindi ka kusulahan.
ربنا لا آمين.
Bayang mag-inom, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulubi, di ka masisigi, sa dagat at mundo, sa silangan, sa
Thank you. Please be seated.
Fire Chief Superintendent Rodolfo P. Dinaga, sir. Sir. And of course, the mother also of the National Fire Training Institute, the acting director of the NFTI, Fire Senior Superintendent Christine Dr. D. Gulamama, and we also have this morning our supporters of the FTI Jordan.
Institute Fire Senior Superintendent Christine D. Gulamama for the declaration of the graduates.
To our dynamic NFTI Acting Director, Fire Senior Superintendent Christine D. Gulamama, in my capacity as the overall learning manager of NFTI Region 10, it is my honor and privilege to present to you the 441 candidates for graduation of Fire Basic Recruit Course Class number 2025-135 Region 10 who have successfully completed the program of instruction and now ready for your confirmation, ma'am.
By the authority vested in me by the President of the Philippine Public Safety College, Police Brigadier General Ferdinando G. Sevilla, as Acting Director of this institute, I hereby declare the FBRC Class 2025-135 Class Mapawa graduates effective this day. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Next of honor and speaker, Fire Director Jesus E. Fernandez, the Chief, Bureau of Fire Protection, sir, to lead the distribution. to be assisted by the Acting Director of the National Fire Training Institute, Fire Senior Superintendent Christine D. Kula, ma'am, and the regional directors, sir, and key officers on stage.
FO1, Joshua M. Tan, Carmen Fire Station, Cebu, Region 7. FO Layo, Nambukan Municipal Fire Station, Region 9. FO1 Mika T. Itibal, San Remigio Fire Station, Region 7.
Kasi ate kanina.
FO1 Medicali T. Mehas, Cabanbaran City Fire Station, Caraga. 0%. FO1 Ikanan T. Delantes, Tabugon Fire Station, Region 9.
Uy, ito ano
FO1 Jezabel L. Amakani, Zamboanga Sibugay, OPFM, Region 9. FO1 Richard Jr. S. Montero, Alobihon Fire Station, Region 10.
Walang ko video be. Be, huwag ko video.
FO1 Aname and Cubillo, Cabasalan Municipal Fire Station, Region 9. Ayan si Tumimbang, Ginawag City Fire Station, Region 10.
Ha?
FO1 RJ B. Isparago, Lugalit Fire Station.
Without hesitation. In November 2020, during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, BFP-10 was confronted with the difficulty of finding a suitable location for the conduct of its recruit orientation program for the newly hired fire officers. On July 1, 2021, the first recruit training program with 112 trainees and with its
Stanford Fire Station, Region 7 is also a recipient of the Service Award as Bravo Company Commander. FO1 Richie O. Brigado, Puro Fire Station, Region 7. FO1 Bernard Chan. FO1 Shanley Espador, Buena Vista Fire Station, Region 7. FO1 Nor Halal B. Upod, Pulutana Municipal Fire Station, Region 9. FO1 Mary Ann A. Ulami, Jimenez Municipal Fire Station, Region 10. B. Yusuf, Kauswagan, Cagayan de Oro Fire District, Region 10. FO1 Arjiki Hans Alam L. Ambalo, Poblacion Fire Station, Labugan City, Region 7.
Kaya sao? Oo, anak.
To honor chosen fire trainees who have proven their abilities and traits, performed well in their leadership roles, and garnered the highest overall rating during FBR's
Ha?
Next Leadership Award is awarded to FBRC Class Babaw
Awarding.
Class President, Fire Officer 1 Iwan Q. Giselle G. Torres, Babaw Fire Station, Region 7. Quadros,
Tapwa.
Medalya ng Kasanayan as Class Babaw First Placer, and she is also a recipient of the following special awards. Academic Proficiency Award for being the overall highest in academic phase, and highest rating in Subject Proficiency Award for being the overall highest in the conducted graded test, and as the top one class Babaw, F1 Heroes will be receiving a cash prize to be awarded from the AFPS Live. We have to honor here. We have Miss Kathleen A. Ramos, marketing specialist, and Miss Rachel Jada.
Ha? Pila? 10,000 be?
15, bro.
Congratulations for their outstanding efforts and performances in carrying out their assigned tasks as force management team during the conduct of FBRC 2025-135. Medalya ng Kasanayan is awarded to Fire Inspector Gregorio Cicerana Jr., the Chief Office of the Student.
Are guided in our work with the core values of honesty, professionalism, and responsiveness. Thus, we believe in this.
Thank you very much, sir. And at this juncture, to formally introduce our guest of honor and speaker, may we request the Acting Director of the National Flight Training Institute, our Senior Superintendent, Christine D. Gula. Ma'am.
And of course, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the local government of this municipality who gave us the lot for the training center that benefited our personnel. So maraming salamat kay Mayor. Maraming salamat din sa mga Santinang Bayan na narito ngayon at sa lahat ng mga department heads ng municipality of ayan. So maraming salamat. Once again, congratulations and good morning.
Thank you very much, sir, for that very inspirational, full of courage and productive, encouraging message, sir.
Mr.
ceremony of the FBRC 2025-135 class Mapawa. Makabagong bumbero na pangangalagaan ang bayan at walang aatrasan. To our guests of honor and speaker, the Acting Director, National Fire Training Institute, Regional Directors, and to all the key officers on stage, Learning Management Team, Commission and non-commissioned members of Class Mapawa, our warmest congratulations to all of you. Maayong buntag sa tanan, isang ligtas at mapagpalang umaga sa lahat. Muli, and also the other cooperating agencies from PNP and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. And also the AFP SNI, ma'am and sir, please come in front for a photo operation. Attention, fire trainees, stay put muna, stand by. Families, huwag po munang malapit sa mga part-timers ninyo. Hintay lang po tayo ng permission. Standby lang po tayo, ma'am and sir. And once again, gratitude is the memory of the heart.
On June 17, 2025, just visit always our Facebook page for further instructions. You don't need to render a courtesy call to RP. Gastos lang yan. Kaya just wait and please always on our Facebook page. And my congratulations to all of you, especially the class president coming from Region 9. Don't forget to look for me immediately after I speak. I am going home. I am going back to Cagayan immediately. You have a cast award. Get it. Thank you.
Days vacation. Thank you.
Salamat sa nag-punit, no? Lost and found keychain.
Days vacations. Thank you. Grabe, daming tao. Kabita na ng Garland. Wala dyan dito?
Galong-galong pa sa akin.
Makauban niya. Daming tao. Pasugong, Bukidnon, Many Gym. Alright. Iyang mamagan. Kumba naman, may manguli na mi. Go home na mi. Travel na po mga 12 hours. Dami pa rin tao. Dito pa kami sa venue nila sa training camp. Nagkuha ng mga gamit. Yan o, dami pa rin kumukuha ng gamit dito sa training camp nila. Yung pasugong. Yan o. Dami pa hanggang doon. Okay. My God.
Bankrupt. Kaya ang tag-iya, naglaan-laan.
My God. Saan naman eh? July, shout out July. Saan naman eh July? Sawa diri ha. Nice place. Mga kababayan, mga ka-Jeff Rocks. La Presa, mga kababayan. Punta lang kayo dito, yung gusto magpalamig sa mga utak na palagi nang mainitin. Punta lang kayo dito. Yan o. Alright. Kukontakin nyo lang si Sir Chrysler Cutting. Ayan o. Contact person.
Punta kayo dito.
Shout out sir.
Shout out, watch out. Watch out.
Okay.
Pero kay kuan haligi.
Lamig kayo dito. Ayan o. La Prisa, Tuburan, Serios Minia. Doon sa loob yung mga ano, mga La Prisa. Pick and pay.
Nagkakaangkat strawberry, di kan diri.
Right. Ayos. Tama ka diha. Right. Sisilipin natin sa loob ha. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Matagal na tayong hindi nakabalik dito. Doon ang entrance. Medyo close friend lang yung may-ari dito sa aking kapatid. Kaya minsan ano kami dito, free pagpapasok. Minsan lang ha. Yan o. Yan o. Yun. Parang ano no, kunti na lang yung ano, tanim na La Presa. Doon may bago pang tanim doon no. Alright. May mga tao doon sa dulo, may mga bisita. Okay. Yan, wow.
Pretest na kay dili daw ka mag-birthday.
May strawberry na ano, shake strawberry. Wow.
Masarap na shake sa
Ang pinakamasarap na shake dito sa Buanga del Norte. Punta lang kayo dito sa La Presa. Marumayan mga ka-Jeff Rocks. Yan. Si Sir Chrysler.
yung pinakamasarap na shake sa kuan. Sa Boulevard.
Right.
Dito lang makikitagpuan sa
Thank you very much sa sponsor, Sir Chrysler. Uy, iyang. Tambal sa lanat iyang. Okay. Malamig muna tayo.
Ipay na kayo may anak. May anak na mabayaw. Pwede ka mabalhin dito.
Very sweet.
1 week duty, 1 week off. Na kayo anak. Hiring sila.
Sarap. Promise. Kaya dito.
Kaya na niya, kaya kung nga gagkitiri.
Dili order.
Okay.
Naman to, katupa na to sunod pa.
Babay mo na.
Legal na asawang
Purot. Na.
kulang ra.
Huwag kayo magtaka kung bakit itong lalagyan ha kasi sponsor to sponsor. Pretest. May magandang lalagyan dito pag mag-order kayo.
Natabon na kuya, natabon.
Alright.
Sige ba?
Ah.